This is the premiere of the GENOS M560V-5AX machine. For years and years, Okuma has offered the GENOS mill series in a 3-axis vertical machining center configuration. In 2018, we launched the 5-axis version of that with the M460V-5AX. That was a 400mm 5-axis machine. Today we offer you the 500mm version of that, the GENOS M560V-5AX. This machine is built from the ground up to be a very solid machine. It's based on Okuma's double column architecture and heritage that we've all come to know and love. It weighs about 22,000 pounds, and as you can see, it's based on a double column design. The trunnion only moves in one axis, which is the Y direction. The head with the spindle moves in both the X and the Z direction, just like a traditional Okuma double column. The spindle is a very versatile 30 horsepower, 15,000 RPM spindle with almost 150 foot-pounds of torque. That gives you the versatility to do high-speed machining in aluminum, or you can really get aggressive with bigger cutters if you need to hog out steel or titanium. But one of the biggest advantages of the entire GENOS M series, whether 3-axis or 5-axis, is the tool changer configuration, which is an instant uptime increase to any Okuma customer. You can see here that the tool changer access door is on the side. In this particular model, we can hold 60 different tools, which gives you the ability to tool up for a variety of jobs. But the beautiful thing is that when operators change tools, they're in this position, which is close. It's not hard on their arms, it's not hard on their back. But they can also check tools and change inserts without interrupting their cutting time that's happening over here in the work envelope. While the machine is cutting, you can have full access to all 60 of these tools, and you can do whatever you need to do to set up for the next job, replace damaged tools, and you never interrupt your spindle. So in terms of vertical machining centers, the Okuma design with the tool changer access door on the side leads to an uptime improvement relative to many competitive products.